We're now going to give you a chance to test your monetary IQ in something that we call the riddles of money. Over the last few years, the instructors of the monetary school have been approached numerous times to answer questions for people involved in social or reform movements. Invariably, there was always a problem of insufficient background as to the mechanical functions of banks and the larger monetary system. In these dialogues, there emerged some classic riddles that we're going to identify here just for fun. Take a look at them and test your monetary IQ. There is a singular principle whose understanding can essentially solve these riddles. And as a hint, the riddles cannot be solved by thinking in terms of money. We will be solving these riddles at the monetary school. So, number one, with what means does the Federal Reserve Bank buy sheets of paper money for the cost of printing from the U.S. Treasury? In other words, how does the Federal Reserve Bank compensate the U.S. Treasury for the printing of all the paper money that it gets? Number two, with what means does the Federal Reserve buy the $1 trillion in assets that collateralize the $1 trillion in paper money it has sold mostly to banks since 1913? Number three, with what means does your bank buy paper money and coin at face value from the Federal Reserve Bank? Number four, with what means do you buy paper money and coin with from your bank? And the last one, with what means do you employ to pay for goods and services when using checks and debit cards? The answer to these riddles explain what establishes the present fate of mankind. The nation is tightly organized around these riddles. The riddles answer the two most pressing questions facing humankind. First is, why does the system not allow most of humanity to work at a living wage? And secondly, why, for the sake of financial efficiency, must we compromise planet Earth and its ecological life support systems? Also hidden within these riddles is a potential path that can lead humanity to limitless prosperity. Best of luck.